Novo Nordisk shares rose 4.9% after the Food and Drug Administration announced that the US shortage of Novo Nordisk's weight loss drug, Wegovy, and diabetes treatment, Ozempic, has been resolved after more than 2 years. UNH Health stock plunged 22.9% following the FDA's announcement. The company, which offers compounded versions of Wegovy and Ozempic, will be allowed to continue using its compounding facilities until May 22nd. Alibaba shares climbed 5.7% to a new 52-week high after GameStop CEO and billionaire investor Ryan Cohen increased his stake in the Chinese e-commerce giant to approximately $1 billion. UnitedHealth shares tumbled 8.6% after reports that the Justice Department is investigating the insurer. The probe is focused on UnitedHealth's protocols for recording diagnoses, which can impact Medicare Advantage plan payments. UnitedHealth has denied any fraudulent activity. Booking Holdings shares increased 2% after reporting fourth quarter adjusted earnings of $41.55 per share, surpassing the expected $36.03. Revenue also exceeded projections, coming in at $5,477 million compared to the $5,182 million estimate. Dropbox shares fell 13.8% after posting mixed quarterly results. The company reported a non-GAAP gross margin of 83.1% in the fourth quarter, aligning with analyst expectations. But other financial figures failed to impress investors. Mercado Libre stock gained 8.5% after strong fourth quarter earnings. The company reported $12.61 per share on $6.6 billion in revenue, significantly exceeding analyst expectations of $7.93 per share and $5.88 billion in revenue. Akamai Technologies shares dropped more than 18% after providing weaker-than-expected first-quarter guidance. The company projected adjusted earnings between $1.54 and $1.59 per share, with revenue between $1 billion and $1.2 billion. Insulet shares declined 2.8% after forecasting first-quarter revenue growth of 22% to 25%. The lower end of this projection is slightly below the FactSet consensus estimate of 23.1%. Despite this, Insulet's fourth-quarter results exceeded expectations. Block shares fell 17.2% after disappointing fourth-quarter earnings. The fintech company reported adjusted earnings of 71 cents per share on $6.3 billion in revenue, missing analyst expectations of 87 cents per share on $6.29 billion in revenue. Rivian Automotive shares declined 5% after the company forecasted lower deliveries for 2025. Rivian expects to deliver between 46,000 and 51,000 vehicles, slightly below the 51,579 units delivered last year. However, Rivian reported its first-ever quarterly gross profit in the fourth quarter. Like and subscribe for more updates.